Perform addition of two numbers by making use of all these three message boxes. Whereas in JavaScript we have three different types of message boxes. One is alert, another one is confirm, another one is prompt. Where by making use of all these three message boxes, how to perform addition of two numbers we are going to see now. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Now, before going to do this operation, we need to know one simple concept. What is that simple concept is, already we have discussed about prompt in my previous class. Correct now? What is the use of prompt?
Default values on
Default values. If you want to take the input from the user, in prompt we will be having a text field for taking the input from the user. Is that clear? Any doubts? Whereas while taking the input by default in JavaScript, it will be considered as string format. Okay? String format in the sense text format. Is that clear? Text formatted data, we cannot perform any arithmetic operation. Let's say if I have taken 10 and 20, if I perform some arithmetic operation like addition, it will display 1020 as a result. Is that clear? Let's say if I go for some subtraction, multiplication, these kind of operation will give some different result as apart from what we have expected. Okay, so first what we need to do, we need to take the input in string format, convert into numeric. Okay, numeric in the sense either for integer format we have to convert, otherwise float, otherwise double, some numeric format we have to convert it. After converting, you can perform the operation whatever you want. Is that clear? Any doubts so far? Now, first function in JavaScript I am introducing for converting the data is eval. Write down eval. It is a predefined JavaScript function which is meant for taking the input in string format and converts it into double format. Okay, now whatever the conversion, just now I said we need to take the input from the user. For taking the input from the user we will be using prompt. After taking the input, if we need to convert into numeric in the sense, first I am going to introduce eval where we can convert into double means you know, right? Decimal with bigger value, 10.3666 etc etc. Clear? When it comes to integer, without decimals, float, decimals in small range. Is that clear? What about integer and float? In next program we will be seeing. When it comes to this program, we are going to see by making use of eval to convert into double. Now let me show you an example output for this program. Okay, say you are able to see the output, right? I am clicking on the button. It is asking me enter a value. This is a prompt and the text field is also available. I'll enter some value. Let's say 12. Either you enter numeric with decimal, without decimal, however you want. 12.3 I am entering. B value 14.5. So what is the result you can expect?
278.
Huh? What's the result? Do you want addition? See, this is the confirm. Okay? The result is that one only. We will see that. Now, confirm. Do you want addition? Here we have two buttons. One is true, that is OK. Another one is false, that is cancel. If I click on OK, that means I want addition. It displays 26.8. Let's say I'll enter some value. Do you want addition? Cancel. It displays thank you. How I have written this particular code, we are going to see now. See, here we have a button. On the button I am displaying the value click me. Just now we have seen the button. On the button it is displaying click me. On click, that means I have clicked that particular button. Control has been transferred to display function. It is transferring to display. So control came to this one. First, prompt enter a value. I am asking user to enter a value. There one text field was there. User has entered some input. Whatever the input I have got, by making use of eval, I have converted into double and I have stored into A. Clear? Next, enter B value. I am asking user to enter B value, second input, converting into double format, storing into B. Next, if. I hope you know about if else. This is true portion, this is false portion, else. Confirm, do you want addition? I am asking user, do you want addition? OK, cancel button. Two options I have given. OK, if he clicks, it performs addition. It will attach to sum and displays in an alert. Clear so far? Suppose if he clicks cancel, it will go for else portion. It displays thank you. That's the end of your operation. Clear? We have two options, OK, cancel. Based on that, two operations will be performed. Any doubt so far? Make a note.